This is an ancient grains banana bread, and you're going to want the recipe.
Today, I'm going to be making ancient grain banana bread with this VEVOR bread maker. In this video, I'm going to give you the recipe, show you what comes in the box, demo this for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own.
This is packaged very well to protect it during shipping, and they even include an oven mitt. Inside the box, you are going to have the actual bread maker, some accessories including the paddles, a hook to lift the bread basket out of the bread maker, a measuring spoon and a measuring cup, an oven mitt, and the instruction manual. This bread maker has 19 different preset settings, from soft bread to sweet bread to cake, all the way over to yogurt and stir fry and sticky rice. Today, we are going to be using number 6, the quick bread setting. In order to remove the bread basket, you need to twist to the left, and then you can remove it easily. I did wash the bread basket, and I washed the stirrer. The stirrer can only go in one way. This recipe starts with 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk beaten. We're then going to add 1 stick of melted butter that's been cooled. You don't want to scramble your eggs. 1/4 cup of sour cream, which sounds strange, but it should be good. You're going to add 3 overripe bananas that are smashed. Add a teaspoon of the best vanilla. This one is my favorite. You're going to need 2 cups of ancient grains all-purpose flour. This is the one that I'm using. In lieu of nuts, I'm going to add 1 cup of sprouted quinoa cocoa granola. You're going to use 1/2 cup of sugar. I am using Florida Crystals organic raw cane sugar. You're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Baja Gold mineral sea salt. And you're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. At this point, this is what it should look like. Don't mix it. This is a dump and go. Okay, so we select our preset setting. That's number 6. We selected the size of our loaf, which is 2 pounds. Next, we're going to select the color. We're going to go with a medium loaf color. The last step is to just click start. This is sped up quite a bit, but this bread maker does all of the hard work for you. This goes through multiple stir cycles and then goes into the bake cycle. It is currently on stir cycle number 2. The one thing I do wish that this had, I wish that this LED display was lit up, and I also wish that there was a way that I could turn a light on in here so that I could see what's happening. I did open this lid to scrape down the sides to make sure that there was no unincorporated flour. We are about 40 minutes into the process, and this is what it looks like. We have a little less than 30 minutes left on the timer, and this is what it looks like. It is done and resting now. This is what it looks like. We have to let it sit for 10 minutes before we can remove it. And there is the finished ancient grain banana bread. I used the oven mitt that they provided to lift this out and then dump the loaf onto a cooling rack. It looks and tastes fantastic, and it was so easy with this bread maker.